Hi, I'm Ola the Creative. You can call me Ola. I am going to be showing you how to make easy mock-ups, whether it's for your Etsy shop or selling online or whatever you want, very simply. ChatGPT has come out with a new image generator, well, an updated image generator. So it's now even easier than it was before. So I'm going to show you the way that I do things, and you're going to be able to create up to 8 different mock-up images. Okay, so here we go. Hi, I'm Ola the Creative. So first off, we start off in ChatGPT. So you can either go to images, which is at the top left hand side, or you can go to the bottom of the bar, and as you can see there is it says create an image, so you can click whichever one you want. To start off with, it's probably easier just to do it from here. Okay, so you're gonna go into there, and then the next thing you're going to do is you're gonna upload your actual image. So that's the image that you've made that you want to make a mock-up of. So what you're doing is you upload the image, and then you're writing a prompt, and I've included the prompt here, so you'll see that as well. What I'm going to do, I will paste the prompt into the description. Okay, so you don't have to struggle to read it. I'll paste it in the description as well. So you've pasted it, and then you just press go, because it has all the instructions, as you can see, on creating the 8 images. The only thing you have to remember is if you don't want 8 mock-ups, or you want specific mock-ups, then you have to add that in yourself. This is very much based on either what you've already put into your memory. So it's just going to remember that you want a mug, a key ring, a phone case, blah de blah de blah, or you're going to tell it what you want. Okay, if you don't do either, it will just come up with whatever it thinks you want based on how you've been using ChatGPT or whatever. So this is more based on, like, so for instance, for me, I didn't have to say what I needed, and it gave me either things I've used before or things I use in my mock-ups, right? Okay, so here we go. You can see it is making the 8 images all at the same time. So you just go through it. Obviously, it's AI. It's not always going to be perfect, but it's good. I haven't come across anything bad. And if you do find that one image you need to adjust something, just click on the one image and then adjust it in that image. But when I've been using it, which has only been just over a week, I haven't found any problem. I've actually found it better when it creates 8 images at once than when you're doing it one at a time, because I think it understands that you want them to be cohesive. So I definitely think that this way is an amazing way to do it. Okay, so that's how you do it. Here are some of the mock-ups that I've been working on in the last few days of some of my images, and they have just been amazing, just really easy to do. And like I said, if you don't want to do all 8, you can do 5. If you do want to do more than 8, then obviously you have to do it twice. Just run the prompt twice. I would say keep it in the same chat, so don't do a separate chat, because it might just give you, like, if you did a tumbler, for instance, in the first 8, you wouldn't want another tumbler in the second 8. The other thing is, when you're doing your prompt, if you want it to have people in it, then you have to put that in the prompt. So just adjust the prompt and say that you want either different types of people for each prompt, or you want the same type of person. So for example, if you wanted a blonde woman in all your prompts, then say you want all your prompts, all your mock-ups to have a blonde woman interacting with the product. Okay, and as you can see some of the ones that I've got here with people in them. Okay, all right, I hope you enjoyed that. Like and subscribe and give me a thumbs up. That would be amazing. Thank you. Bye.